Hard work doesn't have to feel hard. What if you could make it something you genuinely crave? Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step system to transform effort into an irresistible habit. Picture this. You wake up, not with dread, but excitement, ready to crush your goals. Imagine hard work isn't a grind, but something you eagerly dive into every day. Sounds like a dream, right? But it doesn't have to be. Here's the deal. I'll show you how to rewire your brain to love hard work. Yes, love it. And we're not talking fluff. By the end of this, you'll understand the science and psychology behind why we procrastinate and how to overcome it. Let's turn resistance into fuel for success. Why hard work feels like a struggle. Our brains are programmed to seek pleasure and avoid pain. It's why you find yourself scrolling through TikTok instead of tackling that project you've been putting off. That's resistance, a force that keeps you stuck in comfort while your goals remain out of reach. I know this firsthand. I had big dreams, but every time I tried to work on them, I'd get distracted, telling myself I'd start in 5 minutes. Days turned into months, and my goals seemed more like distant fantasies. That is until I discovered how to trick my brain into craving hard work. By the end of this video, you'll learn the exact steps I took to beat procrastination and turn hard work into my superpower. Understanding resistance, the invisible enemy. Resistance is that voice in your head telling you to delay, distract, or avoid. It's why you hesitate to start, why Netflix feels more appealing than studying, and why your to-do list feels impossible. Here's the twist. Resistance isn't just an obstacle, it's a signal. It shows up whenever you're about to do something that matters. The closer you are to something meaningful, the louder it gets. But here's the good news. Resistance is a force you create. That means you can also overcome it. 1. Reframe hard work as a reward. Your brain is motivated by dopamine, the feel-good chemical. Typically, it's released when you experience pleasure, like eating a cookie or scrolling social media. But you can rewire this system to associate hard work with the same reward. Understand dopamine's role. Dopamine isn't just released when you achieve something, it's also released in anticipation of a reward. Use this to your advantage by creating small, tangible rewards for completing tasks. For example, finishing a writing session could mean you get to enjoy your favorite podcast for 10 minutes. Set micro goals. Big tasks often feel overwhelming, so break them into smaller, manageable chunks. If you're writing a report, set goals like write the introduction or finish one paragraph. Each completed goal triggers a dopamine release, keeping you motivated. Celebrate progress. The act of celebrating can be as small as saying, "Good job" to yourself, or doing a fist pump. These little moments of acknowledgement reinforce the behavior, making your brain associate hard work with positive emotions. 2. Turn hard work into a test of character. If you want to thrive, you need to stop looking for easy hacks and start seeing hard work as a test of what you're made of. Men who succeed don't avoid challenges. They embrace them and prove themselves through effort. Find the fire within. Stop acting like life owes you anything. No one's coming to rescue you. The grind isn't an obstacle, it's the proving ground. See every task you take on as an opportunity to build grit and show what you're capable of. Outwork your excuses. When you feel resistance creeping in, call it out. That hesitation? That's weakness trying to take the wheel. Refuse to let excuses run your life. Instead, challenge yourself. What would the best version of me do right now? Compete with yourself. Set a bar for your own effort and push to exceed it. Whether it's finishing faster, doing better quality work, or simply refusing to quit early, make every task a chance to beat yesterday's version of you. Reward resilience, not results. Sure, hitting goals feels good, but the real pride comes from knowing you didn't fold under pressure. Teach your brain to crave the process of overcoming, not just the outcome. 3. Build the habit loop. Habits are formed through cues, routines, and rewards. Here's how to build a hard work habit. Cue. Find a reliable signal that tells your brain it's time to work. This could be as simple as brewing a cup of coffee, opening a specific app, or clearing your desk. Routine. Start with a consistent structure. One proven method is the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Over time, Your brain will associate these cycles with productivity. Reward. Rewards don't have to be extravagant. After completing a task, reward yourself with a stretch, a snack, or a quick scroll through social media. Just ensure the reward doesn't consume your entire day. Tracking progress. Use tools like habit trackers or journals to monitor your streaks. Seeing your progress visually reinforces the habit and motivates you to keep going. Fourth, shift your mindset. Resistance is mental. To overcome it, you need to think differently about effort. Embrace growth. Over comfort, reframe challenges as opportunities to grow. Instead of thinking, "This is hard," tell yourself, "This is making me better." Practice gratitude for effort. Appreciate the process, not just the outcome. Remind yourself that each moment of hard work is a step closer to your goals. Visualize success. Close your eyes and imagine the life you're building through consistent effort. Whether it's financial freedom, recognition, or personal growth, keep that vision front and center to inspire action. Comment below with one hard task you'll tackle this week. 5. Optimize your environment. Your surroundings shape your behavior. Create an environment that makes hard work feel natural. Minimize distractions. Identify and eliminate your biggest distractions. This could mean turning off notifications, using website blockers, or designating specific work zones. Design for success. Organize your workspace to reduce friction. Keep your tools and resources within easy reach. Add visual cues like a whiteboard with your goals or motivational quotes. Add comfort. A supportive chair, good lighting, and a clean workspace can make a big difference in how you feel while working. Comfort reduces resistance. 6. Use the Zeigarnik effect. This psychological principle says that unfinished tasks linger in your mind, motivating you to complete them. Start small. The hardest part of work is often starting. Commit to just 5 minutes of effort. Once you begin, you'll likely find it easier to keep going. Create open loops. Deliberately leave a task incomplete at the end of a session. For instance, stop in the middle of a sentence or project. This creates an itch to return and finish, leveraging your brain's natural tendency to seek closure. 7. Harness physical movement. Hard work isn't just mental, it's physical. Movement primes your brain for focus. Exercise regularly. Physical activity releases endorphins, improves mood, and enhances cognitive function. Even a 10-minute walk can boost your productivity. Start with movement. Use a quick burst of activity to transition into work mode. Jumping jacks, stretching, or dancing can shake off lethargy and prepare your brain for focus. Active breaks. During work sessions, take short breaks to move around. This keeps your energy levels high and prevents burnout. The transformation. I applied these strategies consistently, and my life changed. Hard work wasn't something I avoided anymore. It became my edge. I started to crave the challenges that once intimidated me. By reframing effort as an opportunity for growth and rewiring my habits, I unlocked a version of myself I never thought possible. Imagine the same for yourself. Waking up each day excited to tackle challenges, knowing that every ounce of effort is shaping you into someone extraordinary. Conclusion: hard work doesn't have to feel like punishment. By reframing your mindset, building powerful habits, and optimizing your environment, you can make effort irresistible to your brain. Remember, it's not about massive changes overnight. It's about small, consistent actions that build momentum over time. If this resonated with you, hit like and subscribe for more life optimization strategies, or check out the video on the screen.